Okay, a quick follow-up video on the Terrafirma roof rack for LR3, LR4, Discovery 3, Discovery 4. The tool you're going to need is a 4.5 hex. It's not 4, it's not 5, it's 4.5. And you can't go straight down on some of these, so this is the tool you're going to need, a 4.5. If you do have the roof rails, you do not need that little grommet, a little rubber part. And definitely do this one, the front two ones first. Their jig does not make this straight up and down. You can't tell it right here, but you need some play. So you got a lot of play here, right on the 3 up there. You got play here, but the only play you have here is inside that tube. So once you get it lined up, do these first and then do those. You know, obviously don't tighten everything up, get them all loose. But even when you're doing them loose, the very first two ones, do the front ones first. It's a lot easier.